Jose.
Hola. Buenas.
Okay, how are you guys doing behind? Can see them? Oh, okay. Oh, cannot see. Cause blocking by the seat. Now we are heading to Seville. Medina. That's right. Medina then Seville. We just arrived at Medina Sidonia. If you engage some of the services, like car services, they can bring you to some location. They give us 3 locations to choose from, so we choose this place. It's worth it. We bought less than an hour. Because due to the time spent on the ferry, we need to rush to Seville, so at least we get a glimpse of the location over here. This is good. So our accommodation. Okay, here. Yep, this is the kitchen. There's the bedroom. Here. Okay.
What are you doing?
Morning ride from Seville. So behind me here is what we call our first stop, Zahara de la Sierra. It's beautiful. We have a few white villages to go. We are heading to Ronda later. I can hear a bell from here. It's beautiful. So behind me here is actually the dam or reservoir here. You see behind me? Not sure you can see the view. It's spectacular here. At 7 degrees at this height. Wow, it's breathtaking. Best place to have some coffee and tea.
800 years the Muslim being here, and it took a long time to Spanish kings to reconquer. Little by little, Seville, 1240 years.
Setenil, next white village. So I got it wrong, so I got the fact right. That came from the word 7, Setenil, C-A-T, Spain, in Spanish, right? Means Setenil means 70. 70. Reason for that? Because the Catholic kings have been fighting battles with the Muslims for the 7 times. The 8 times then they won this place and take over this place, conquer this place from the Muslims. So I've been here. So if you're in Setenil, you should visit this place. It's owned by a Muslim. He's a Moroccan, by the way. Right, so not sure what is in store for us. Looks cool.
is
Zero, right? So it's 7 times 0.
Ronda, right? Now we're at Alameda del Tajo, the part that was recommended by the guide. That you should go here straight, then you will see a very nice balcony of view from Ronda. Yes, Ronda is quite easier than the previous one. Yeah, but it's beautiful. Here famous for Picasso, Bull Ring. Okay, I say this place is where the first bull ring in Ronda. So you see a statue of the bull, right? So this is one of the locations. Okay, if you want to see the bull ring from the top view, you can actually head to this hotel called Hotel Catalonia. Check out the famous bridge of Ronda from this location.
Sí. Si no, de donde se puede ver aquí.
Sí, vamos allá allí.
Okay, so I'm walking now on the Ronda famous bridge. Now we're heading to one of the museum of Pablo Picasso. Ooh. Okay. And here. Okay. Okay, just complete our Maghrib prayer, and this is a spectacular view from here. Alhambra never failed to impress me. So
Good quality. You can't keep it for 3 months, put it free. We are here again. I can't believe. Ya Allah, Allah panjangkan umur, berikan rezeki untuk kami be back here to eat the churros at Alhambra.
Aika, enjoy.
Wow,
Yep.
Ni benda, it's so crispy macam, it's like, I don't know how to say. It's just
Now we are here watching live match between Real Madrid and Manchester City, guys. Come on. So when you are in Madrid, this is the place that everybody want to go. And heard that it's been full house for the last few days. Oh, crazy!
He's too alone.
Jan.
Thank you, Pak.
Nice, ah? Oh.
This is about 6 a.m. today at Istanbul. It's just one day. We thought we were going to surprise our parents. In the end, we are come here for some little surprises. If you are here for transit about 6 hours to 12 hours, right, you actually are eligible for a free tour, okay, by the Turkish airline. For the hotel, we took this one under Mesh Airport, which is behind me. This is about 13 minutes to 15 minutes drive from the airport itself. Okay, if you want to get both free hotel and I think free tour, if I'm not wrong, you are supposed to have transit round tour. Okay, not just one trip like us. One trip, you only eligible for either one. So we opt for free tour. So we just book the nearby airport hotel, which is here.
So the tour consists of breakfast, then you have Blue Mosque, Port here. Right. There's a few lists of items, at least about 8 items that you can go. Start from 8:30 up to 3 p.m. latest. Okay, latest. This is the half day event, or you can actually opt for a full day tour.
أن محمد رسول الله